Hello you guys. So my car has had this rattle that I've noticed, especially when I'm on the highway. It's a 2016 BMW F30 320i. And so I realized that it's the lock handle, the lock mechanism on all the doors. So it does this little rattle above a certain speed, and it's just the most annoying thing. And I've thought of other ways to fix it with tape. That was really the only recommendation I saw online was tape, but it was just messy. But the answer is, let me focus here. It's these hair ties, these, black rubber hair ties. Your girl probably has quite a lot of these. What I did is I sifted for the smallest size, and I've actually already put it on all the doors. But what you do is, it's kind of hard to do with one hand, but you're gonna wrap this around 3 times. And sorry, it just went inside. So what you'll do is you'll wrap it around 3 times and push it all the way to the bottom. And I'll show you with this door. You just right there, you just push it all the way down, and then when you lock the door, only a little bit of the lock actually sticks out. So it just creates some sort of buffer on the road there, so that it doesn't just create a sound. So that's what I recommend. Give it a shot and let me know if it works.